So these spheres were seen in Mexico yesterday. So I want to share these. We have also these stars, although one is bright, the other one is not. These are above the two spheres that are seen in Mexico near Popocatépetl volcano. So this one darker sphere, one lighter sphere are seen at night in Popocatépetl. So we have this one, this spaceship. This is the UFO I was talking about, seen in Jerusalem yesterday. This is definitely an UFO. I've been working with this stuff for many years. I can see the difference, although I don't know what kind of drones there are manufacturing, but I've never seen anything like this before. So this is definitely not a drone or airplane or a helicopter or a bird. This is an UFO flying above Jerusalem. See, the wings are different. We have some also some war news from the Red Sea. We have bad news. USA lost another plane. British ship is hit, and it's about to sink. So we have 4 drones totally, or 3 drones, American drones have been hit. So yeah. So this is the second or the third American plane that is hit. Now the Americans are lost 3. So the war is continuing and will continue to the end of time, because it's written so. At the end times, the war will be raging. So the war will continue on, especially in the Middle East. It will be always wars in the Middle East until the end of time. This I have said, predicted before even the 7 of October attacks. About 1 year ago, I told everyone on my channel that what is going in the Middle East. So I was talking about the conflict in the Middle East. I believe myself that with evidence I've seen from this conflict, we have also a hidden third part, a secret third part, participating in the conflict, trying to affect the conflict in a way or another. Just like we have a lot of UFOs around volcanoes that are about to erupt or erupting. These UFOs try to alter or determine or control the eruption of these volcanoes. And they react the same way to the wars by trying to control it and alter it, that it will either remain or remain ongoing, or trying to control her so it will stop. So that's all.